Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript objects. What is an object? Objects are nothing but a collection of key value pairs. Okay, so what is an key and what is an value? We can discuss in a coding so that you can understand the scenario in a detailed manner. I have opened the VS Code. Inside that I have created one file called index.js, and then how we can declare an object here. I will declare an object like so I will give a let keyword here and then the object name. So I am giving object name as obj equal to, and then curly braces, open and closing curly braces here. So inside that I am giving the key, it's nothing but a name, f name here, and the value may be any data type. First thing I am using John here, and then in the next one I am using L name. I am giving the value as do, and I am using an integer as well. For example, I am using age and then giving 32. And is it possible to use an boolean value, boolean data type? Yes, that is also possible. For that I am using like is authenticated true or false. We can use anything. And then now I am using array. So for that I am taking like company here and then square brackets. Inside that I am giving elements like Apple and Amazon here. Yeah, and then so now I am going to use the methods. I want to insert some company names inside that company array. For that I will create one method like add company here, and then function. So here we don't need to give the function name because it is already there, like add company, and then here the company name I have to get as a parameter, and then so I have to insert. For that I have to use like this dot company dot push. So here push is nothing but it is an inbuilt method already present in the array. So here I am giving the company name. Yeah, that's it. There is another way we can write a method. I want to get how many elements are present in the company array. For that I will use like get company count. So simply use like this one, and then here I have to return something like I'm using practice here, company count. Yes, so I will use like this one, this dot company dot length. Yeah, that's it. Here I have to give the comma. This is a simple way we can declare an object. How we can access the property and their value in the object here. For that we have two ways to access the property. The first way is that we have to give the object name and then dot operator and then key name. So for that I am using log here, and then the object name is nothing but obj dot and then f name. So let's try it in the terminal. So I have already opened in the terminal. I just need to give like node and then index. So we got a John in the console. Yeah, that's it. There is another way to access the property value. So next way is that I'm using log and obj. We have to give the square bracket, and inside that we have to use like name. So here the key name should be inside the double quotes or single quotes. It is to be a string. Then now I am trying in the console to log that one. So yes, these two are working fine. I want to add some new company name elements inside this company array. Okay, so for that we are already having that add company method. So simply I have to use that one, obj dot add company, and I have to give company name as a parameter here. For example, I am giving Google here, and then let's try to print here whether it is working or not. We can check here how I can print that one. So before that we have to use that console.log, and then I have to use obj.company. That's it. Yeah, so I am using that index.js. Yeah, see here, Apple, Amazon, and then Google. The newly inserted company element is pushed into the company array. Yeah, that's it. Also we can access that get company count here. So how we can access that one? So I will use log and then obj.get company count, and then we have to use we have to invoke the method. Okay, so for that I have to use the pair of parentheses here, and then just I am trying to print that company count. See here, our company count is like 3. It is giving. In the object, is it possible to change any property value? Yes, that is also possible. For example, I have used like obj.age equal to I'm giving just like 50, and then we can check whether it is working or not. For this I have to copy this one and paste it here, and then I am giving age and then just logging it. This is working fine. Another scenario is that I want to add some new property inside this object. So is it possible? Yes, that is also possible. So for that we have to use like an object name dot the property name which I supposed to insert in the object. For example, I will use full name here, and then I have to give the value. For example, I will give like John Peter. We can check whether it is inserted in the object or not by using like the same node and then index. So before that I have to use the console. I have to print it in the console, right? For that I will use like console.table and then obj. That's it. Yeah, see here, the full name is inserted here. Is it possible to delete any property in the object? Yes, that is also possible. How we can do that one? So there is a one special keyword called delete, and then obj.age. That's it. So it is simply delete the age property in the object. That's it. So we can check by using like the same console.log table here. I will command these things. Yeah, we can check. See here, age is not present here. Is it possible to check any property is already present in the object or not? Yes, that is also possible. For that we have to use, like I'm using log here, and then I have to use like the property name. The property name is nothing but f name in the object name. Object, that's it. The property name supposed to be in the string. So before that I will command all the things. We can check in the terminal whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's true. If I give any value apart from that one, for example I will give anything, blah blah blah, it will throw false. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and do share the link. Let's catch up in the next one.